fitness app tips to improve workout tracking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you use the fitness app on your iPhone or Apple Watch, you might not be getting the most accurate workout data. So, in this video, I'll show you simple but powerful tips to improve your workout tracking accuracy and make your fitness stats more meaningful. So, let's dive right in. First things first, what you need to do is you need to open up a fitness app and then you need to set a goal. Don't stick with the default move goal. Just tap on the move option and then here you can adjust your goal by tapping on the plus minus icon, and you can adjust goal for today. You can set a temporary move goal just for today based on how active you'd like to be. This does not affect your current goal schedule. You can increase or decrease it and then tap on change move goal for today. Similarly, you can tap on the plus icon and then tap on change daily goal and then tap on schedule, and now you can schedule the move goal for each day of the week. So, when goals match your lifestyle, you're more likely to stay consistent, and consistency is what drives results. So, once you have set the move goal, you can also change goals for other things like the step count and step distance as well. So just set in mind how many counts you want to do per day, how much distance you want to cover, and then you can also record these sessions here. And then you can see awards option. So you can close your rings and then you can even put in monthly challenges, workouts, and then complete competitions. And another option is following the trends. So here you'll see if your activity levels are improving or slipping. So if an arrow points down, then that means Apple will tell you exactly what you need to do to get back on track. And if it is the arrow is pointing up, then that means you're reaching your goal. It's like having a mini fitness coach right on your iPhone. So that's it. The simple iPhone fitness tips can seriously improve your workout and then help you stay motivated every day. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.